Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into a question that's been buzzing around. Does Wix have an app? We will explore what Wix offers for mobile users, the features you can expect, and whether it's worth your time. So, let's get started. To answer your question, yes, Wix has a mobile app available for both iOS and Android services or devices. Alright? Now, the thing is, one of the best features for the Wix app is that you can manage your Wix website content directly from the app, allowing you to make updates and changes on the go. You see, you can use the Wix app to manage and grow your business or community. You have the Wix app and simply you can scan to download. Now, I'm gonna go to my mobile device. And then from here, all I have to do is click on install, alright? Now wait for it to be installed, because once it's installed, you can access website analytics to monitor traffic, visitors, statistics, and performance metrics. Especially if you have an online store, you can manage products, process orders, and of course track sales. You can even manage your contacts and response to customer directly through the app. And of course, you can use other Wix features such as blogging, forums, and bookings, all from your mobile device. Once it's loaded, you would be forwarded to the Wix app itself, and then click on open. Alright? Now from here, all you have to do, if you are already have an account, you might want to click on I already have a Wix account. Click on it, and you can log in using your Google or your Facebook, or log in with the email that is associated with your Wix account. And as you can see, Wix provides a mobile app that enables users to manage their websites efficiently while on the go. Because with features for editing, viewing analytics, managing stores, and more, the app enhances the overall Wix experience and provides convenience with website owners. All I have to do is put in some information here. Type it in to see if you get an answer. All right. And then chat and continue. Now you can try the Wix Studio app that provides the best mobile experience to manage sites and collaborate with team members. But if you just wanted to continue on the Wix app, you are welcome to do that. If you click on it, you would be forwarded here. And by setting all of these, you can manage your notifications for important events, respond to new orders or messages from customers. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.